Alright, towards a theory of everything. Definitely and without a question, this is the most exciting time for us humans to be alive right now. In this video, I'm going to show you how understanding and applying M-theory principles will not only drastically improve every aspect of your life, helping you achieve dreams and goals much faster, but it's also going to allow you to transcend your constraints or difficulties in life in a much smoother way. But first of all, what is the M theory of, or the mother theory of all? Well, from the perspective of physics, quantum physics, to be specific, M theory can be seen as the conciliation or the marriage of what goes on between the subatomic world and the macrocosmic or astronomical world, because there seem to be differences there that we haven't been able to conciliate until now. Well, Richard Feynman, he was famous for winning a third of a Nobel Prize in 1965, said, "Anyone who has not been shocked by quantum physics has not understood it." So in itself, quantum mechanics is quite shocking. And the word quantum refers to this peculiar aspect of nature that goes against common sense. So we have two very important aspects here. One, that is something shocking, and it's elusive, obvious, or it goes against common sense. While Ken Wilber, which is father of the integral approach, has developed many applications and models of theory of everything that range from ecology to business to medicine and business consulting, and he has a great book named A Theory of Everything, and lately he's been published One Taste and many other things. So one of the promising candidates for theory of everything evolves from what is known in quantum physics as the Standard Model. The Standard Model, as we know, is one that encompasses quarks, which are a way of saying hadrons, protons, and neutrons, and leptons, which are the other parts of the atom that we know, that are electrons and neutrinos, and all the forces that interact with them, that are the electromagnetic and the strong and weak interaction. The problem with these models is that gravity is not included, and the Higgs boson, or the Higgs mechanism that we see at the center, has not yet been proven or discovered. So what is the Higgs mechanism anyway, or the Higgs boson? There's a beautiful example that says, if you would be somebody unnoticed, if nobody would know you in a room, you could probably pass through the room with no resistance. Nobody will ever notice you're there. That means a low interaction with the Higgs mechanism. On the contrary, somebody that has a strong interaction with the Higgs field, someone famous, let's say a president or a famous figure, walks into a room, immediately all the attention will go into them. So for them passing through that field would require a lot of resistance, because everybody would want to talk to them or something like that. So in a nutshell, the interaction with the Higgs field can come and explain why some systems are more relevant or carry more mass than others, have more status, so to speak. Now, you might be asking yourself, how can understanding particle physics help anyone improve anything in their lives? And what does the Higgs field have to do with everything else? Well, much more than you can imagine, and way too much for me to explain in this short video. So, theory of everything can be applied to, well, you guessed it right, everything. From personal development to economical growth to marketing, psychology, weight loss, you name it. Knowing a little bit and applying just a little bit of theory of everything principles in your life can skyrocket any kind of results that you're looking for. So if the idea of being part of the generation who took charge and went ahead and created the first global prosperity era in the history of humankind sounds at least interesting, then I invite you to join me and many others around the world in creating and sharing a simple yet revolutionary application of theory of everything. Just by watching this video, I assume you're a part of a very select few who will not only like to understand this better, but also would love to do something about it. So click on the link on your right here in YouTube, or simply come to myfacebook.goal.com, and I'll be happy to tell you everything about it and share with you some amazing things coming our way. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you.